Hey family, it's Chef Rick, and welcome back to Technique Monday on Unseen Cuisine, Cooking Without Limits. Today, we're getting into that pan, that sizzle, that moment where vegetables go from simple to something special. We're talking about pan frying, and this right here is where the Unseen Cuisine Method comes alive. Because you don't need to see what's happening in the pan. You can hear it, smell it, and feel it. And once you trust that, you're in control. So, let's talk about it. Step 1. Prep your veggies. Start by rinsing your vegetables under cool water. Run your fingers across the surface. You're looking for that clean, slightly squeaky feel. That's how you know that they're ready. Now trim and cut everything into even pieces. Tactile cue. As you cut, pay attention to the resistance. Each piece should feel similar under the knife. That's how you know that they'll cook evenly. Some veggies need a head start. You want it to give slightly, not soft, just yielding. Step 2, coat them up. Now we're building that outer layer. Whether you're using flour, batter, or breadcrumbs, let your hands guide you. Tactile progression. Flour feels dry, light, and powdery. Egg wash feels smooth and sticky. Breadcrumbs feel rough and slightly gritty. Run your fingers lightly over the surface of your vegetables. It should feel evenly coated, no bare spots, and no clumps. That even texture is what creates the consistent crisp. Step 3, heat the fat. Let's bring on the heat. Add your oil or fat to the pan, enough so it comes about halfway up your vegetables. Thermal cue. Hold your hand a few inches above the pan. You should feel a steady wave of heat rising, not a sharp or not burning your skin. Sound test. Drop a small breadcrumb in. If it sizzles, you're ready. If it explodes or burns instantly, the oil's too hot. If nothing happens, your oil is not ready yet. That's how you set your temperature without ever seeing it. Step 4, fry in batches. Now, place your vegetables gently into the pan. Give them space. Don't let them touch too much. Audio cue. You should hear a steady, active sizzle, not an aggressive popping or not silence. That steady sound is your anchor. If the sound drops off, that means that your pan cooled down or it's overcrowded. Let them sit. Do not move them too soon. Touch cue with the tool. When you nudge them with tongs, they should feel slightly firm and release easily from the pan. That's your signal that the crust has formed. Step 5, flip and finish. Now, go in and turn them. Tactile cue. The cooked side should feel firm, slightly crisp, structured, not soft or fragile. Let the second side cook the same way. Then lift them out and place them onto a paper towel lined plate. Final touch. While they are still hot, sprinkle your seasoning. You'll hear a light crackle as it hits the vegetable. That's it sticking to the surface. Finish it with a drizzle, herbs, or light sauce if you want to elevate it. Method of reinforcement. Now stop thinking about what you just did. You use sound to track the heat and cooking. Touch to check the texture and doneness. Aroma to know when flavor opened up. That is the Unseen Cuisine Method. That's cooking without limits. Here's your takeaway. Pan frying is a rhythm. You prep, you listen, you feel, you adjust. Stay connected to the pan and it will tell you everything you need to know. Now, if you really want to build this skill and make it a second nature, I walk you through all of this inside the book and the ebook on how to use your senses, how to trust your instincts, and how to cook with real confidence. So, go ahead, pick them up, start working through them, because once you learn to cook this way, you won't go back. This is Chef Rick, cooking for every sense, every confidence, and for every cook. I'll see you next Flavor Lab Wednesday.